In this video, I'll show you how to deploy an app from Bolt.New. First, open your web browser, go to the Bolt.New website, and sign into your account. Then open the project you want to deploy. Next, make sure your app is working correctly by testing its main features. Review your project for any errors and confirm that everything functions as expected before publishing. Now, click the Deploy button in the top right corner of the editor. If this is your first deployment, follow the prompts to connect a deployment provider if required. Review the deployment settings, then confirm that you're ready to continue. After that, click Deploy and wait while Bolt.New builds and publishes your application. This process may take a few moments, depending on the size of your project. Once the deployment is complete, Bolt.New will provide a public URL where your app is available online. Finally, open the deployed URL in your web browser and test your live application to make sure everything is working correctly. Whenever you make changes to your project, simply deploy again to publish the latest version. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to deploy an app from Bolt.New. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.